If you've been scrolling lately, chances are you've already seen videos like this. They are pulling in hundreds of thousands of viewers, and some are even reaching millions. They look like a real construction project with tiny workers, heavy machinery, and incredible attention to detail. But every single scene is created entirely with AI. What makes these videos so satisfying is not just how realistic they look, it's the storytelling. Instead of watching a road magical repair itself, you watch the entire construction process unfold step by step, making every scene feel authentic and rewarding. Let me show you exactly how I make them. To make this process easier, I've already created a complete master template for you, and you will find it linked in the description below. You don't have to build everything from the scratch. Let's go straight into it. So first you open ChatGPT, copy the master template from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. The first thing you do, you choose the topic for your video. The template is flexible, so you can create different types of stories based on the idea you have in mind. Ask ChatGPT to generate a video prompt for each storyboard scene, and, and each prompt include the camera angle, camera movement, lighting, characters, action and environment, sound design, AI director notes, and negative prompts to help you generate consistent high quality videos. Next, ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed video prompt for each storyboard scene. So each prompt includes the camera angle, camera movement, lighting, character actions, environment, sound, AI direct notes, and negative prompts to help you generate consistent high quality videos. So once your prompts are ready, you will move into Google Flow and turn each storyboard into a cinematic AI video. Okay, this is the interface that you're going to use. You come here to this plus sign. Once your project opens, click the plus icon and then click the upload button and select the storyboard image you've created in ChatGPT. So you're gonna need to wait for the image to finish uploading, then make sure it's added under ingredients. So next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for your first scene and paste it into the prompt box. So before generating the video, let's check the settings. Make sure your video is on a video mode and confirm that your storyboard image is added under ingredients. Under the number of generation, select 1 times and then choose OmniFlash as your model. Then you set the duration to match your prompt. If your prompt is written for 4 seconds, select 4 seconds. If it's 6, 8, or 10 seconds, simply choose the matching duration. So once everything is ready, click generate. Now let's wait for a few seconds while Google Flow creates your first scene. So once the video is ready, preview it to make sure you're happy with the results. Now it's time to create the next scene. So you're gonna go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 2, and then you're gonna return to Google Flow and upload the storyboard image again if needed, and make sure it's added under ingredient, and then replace the previous prompt with the prompt for the scene 2. So before generating, quickly check your settings again, especially the video duration, to make sure it matches the prompt for the scene. Then click generate. So you're going to repeat this same process for every remaining scene until you generate your entire story. So once you have generated all your clips, bring them into your favorite editing software. I'm using Canva. So arrange them according to your storyboard and your AI cinematic video is ready. So I hope this tutorial helped you and it gave you a clear workflow that you can use again and again. And if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who wants to learn AI content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.